bagong NBS X Beanie items namin. So let's see what the Bug Charm keychain and figurine looks like. So sino kaya makukuha ko? I feel like I'm gonna start with the small ones kasi gusto ko surprise talaga. So muna tayo sa acrylic clip. Oh! It's Mika! Sobrang cute. And then eraser. Grabe, childhood. It's Colette! Ang cute! Cable organizer. Oh! I got myself. Ganyan na. Para organize siya. Sticky notes with charms keychain. Ay, ang cute! Joanna to. Sobrang cute naman sticky notes siya. Ito ay acrylic pen holder. Ay! I got Bebe My Bias. If one and only bias. Hindi ko may kapag dito naman silang legs. Pero parang ganito siya. Something like this. Basta ganyan siya. Luggage tag. Ayan. I got myself again! Photo card holder. Blooms! Ako na naman yung nakuha ko. I got myself again for the third time. Charger protector. Oh, I got Bebe again for the second time, my bias. Yun yung mga inclusions niya. Next is mini storage box. Guys, I got myself again! Hala, kailangan ko to! Ito naman, figure na. I got Mika again. Sobrang cute nito, bro. And then this is the last one. I got Taco, my bias record. So this is Taco when she's a cat. Sobrang cute nito. Meron yung mga regular boxes lang, like, makikita nyo lang sa shelf. Meron tayong ibang options, okay? Ito, meron tayong photocard holder. 2026 calendar, ayan. We also have gel pens. Also, we have this, the desk pad. Sobrang haba nito, nakita ko to. Also, we have this stackable mugs. Also, syempre, di ba, meron tayong bento box. Bento box! Also, the mouse pad sa mga gamers dyan na Bloom din. So this, the clear book. Sobrang cute. Good luck and happy shopping, Blooms! The NBS X Beanie collection is finally out. So run out the nearest